Hi, this is Patty, the loan designer. Today I'm going to talk about that hot topic of rates. Everybody's asking me, what's the rate? What's the rate? What's the rate? And rates are important. But really what's more important is the house payment. And rate is a derivative of that, right? But we've got to look at the house payment. How are we going to achieve your payment goals? Second, what's important is cash to close. And thirdly, really, which is very important too, is how are we going to help you increase your net worth? Statistically speaking, if you look back over the last 15 years, and I have, home buying is the number one thing to grow your family or your net worth. Home values in Texas are going up. They're nice and stable and have been stable for the last 15 years. If you want to talk more about history, please let me know. Happy to share that. But you can grow the equity and net worth for your family by buying a home. It is the largest rate of return over stocks and bonds and gold, and I think Bitcoin was in that study to take care of your family. So how are we going to shop your rate for you and ensure you have the best payment? A couple things. We are a direct Fannie, Freddie, and Ginnie Bank. What's that mean? All those programs out there called FHA, VA, and conventional loans and jumbo, we're a direct bank. So that means we underwrite down the hall. Technically, down the hall is a little further away from where I am right now, but we do that within our company. Now, the cool thing is, while we have our own money, we service a little over 30% of our mortgages, we also have over 30 different banks to shop your rate. Okay, so my job for you and fiduciary responsibility is to get you the best rate you want, but really when you peel that back, what does it mean? The best payment. So when we design your loan, we are going to give you multiple options. Did you know that you're going to pick your rate? Yeah, you get to pick your rate. So we're going to design the program. We're going to shop that rate for you. And I'm going to share one more little detail. Interest rates, except for a couple loans where the interest rates are in the double digits, are all based on the United States bond market. So if you were buying a share of stock, if I was to go to Company A and Company B, that share of stock at that given second is going to be the exact same cost, right? Mortgages work similar, except for stock, it's worked on the U.S. bond market. Okay, now, if it's all the same, what is the advantage to you of us, Thrive Mortgage, having access to 30 plus banks? Here's why. We all are based on the United States bond market, and the bond market moves up and down every hour or more. And what we're going to do is we're going to shop Bank A, Bank C, and Bank A, B, and C, maybe a D, right? Whatever that adds up to. However, the people that change the pricing every hour are usually the hedge fund manager and the people that deal with that bank's money. Now, Sally, I'm making up a name, Sally versus Joe versus George could have a different perspective on reading the bond market. So they may price it out a little bit different. The bottom line, we might be able to save you a couple $1,000s or a couple $100s, but that is our obligation. So we will shop the rate for you. We're going to design the mortgage to ensure you get the best overall strategy based on how you feel, not us. And then we're going to lock that rate for you to protect your payment. Okay? I hope that helps. Please call us anytime. We're going to go through this a bunch of times in other options and when we do our live consultation appointment. But I think it is important to understand that we'll get you the best payment based on your goals. Thank you much.